Good morning, dear kids. I am your English teacher from Mount Litra Z School, Rampura Fool. Dear kids, in the previous sessions of ours, we had done with the reading of the chapter number 6 from the New Pathways book, and the name of the chapter is Picnic in the Woods. We have done with the reading of the chapter, and we had done the word meanings also. I explained each and every word meaning to you. So now today in this video we are going to discuss the book exercise of chapter number 6, Picnic in the Woods. So now let us start with the book exercise of this chapter. Before we start with the book exercise, let me just give you a brief summary of the story, that what happened in the story. There are 4 friends in the story: Sameer, Rayan, Sheila and Priya. Sameer, Rayan, Sheila and Priya, they all went for the picnic in woods, and in the woods they enjoyed a lot. Priya read her book, Sheila sat on a bench, okay, and she looked at the squirrel. Then both the boys, Sameer and Rayan, they played with the ball, and after that all the kids, they all played with the ball, and they saw a squirrel also. So what happened next? The squirrel, it got scared at first, then it came near to the kids and even nibbled, means she ate biscuits also. जो squirrel थी बेटे, उसने उन friends से लेके biscuits भी खाए, ठीक है. So in this chapter we had learned that we should not hit the animals. Animals are also our friends, and making friends is a good thing. So this is a brief summary of the story. Now dear kids, let us start with the book exercise of the chapter Picnic in the Woods. So here we have the book exercise. In this book exercise, we have the first question, that is, choose the right answer for each question. Here we have question number 1, choose the right answer for each question. So beta, here some questions are given to you. These are MCQs, means multiple choice questions. For every question, some options are given to you, and you have to find out the correct option and tick in the same circle. So the first question is, where do the children go for a picnic? Beta PIC, pick, NIC, nick. So where did they go for the picnic? First option is given to you, that is, to the beach. Did they go to beach? No, they didn't go to beach. To the woods. Second option is to the woods. Yes, this is the correct answer. They went to the woods for the picnic. So here we are going to tick. In this circle you are going to put a tick. And third option is to the park. No, this is again a wrong option. The correct answer is answer number 2, that is to the woods. So they all went to the woods for the picnic. So you are going to tick in this circle. And B question we have, who are the twins? In the chapter, when we read the chapter, when I explained the chapter to you, we had read that there are 2 twins in the chapter. Twins means maybe 2 brothers, maybe 2 sisters, or maybe a brother or a sister. And beti, who are twins? Twins are those who born on the same date in the same year. They are of same age and they are look alike. जो ट्विंस बच्चे होते हैं उनकी सेम एज होती है बेटे, एंड वो ऑलमोस्ट एक दूसरे के जैसे ही दिखते हैं, ठीक है. देयर फेस कट, देयर फीचर्स, their look, ठीक है, almost they look like same and they are of same age. So in the chapter we have two twins, and वो twins कौन से हैं? रेयान and प्रिया. First option, no, रेयान and प्रिया नहीं है. Those twins are boys, two boys हैं. Second option is Sameer and Sheila. No, again Sameer and Sheila is not the correct answer. Third option we have Rayan and Sameer. Yes, this one is the correct answer. Rayan is also a boy, Sameer is also a boy, and they both are twins in the chapter. So beta, you are going to put a tick in this circle, that is circle number third, option number third. And C question we have, who joins the boys in the game? In the starting of the chapter, we read that Priya was reading the book, Sheila was watching the squirrel, and both the boys, Sameer and Rayan, they were playing with the ball. Then what happened? When Sameer and Rayan, they were playing with the ball, Priya and Sheila, they also went to them, and they both of the girls, they also started playing with the ball. Okay, the game of the ball. So now the question is, who joins the boys in the game? When the boys were playing, उनको किसने ज्वाइन किया बेटे? बॉयज के साथ कौन खेलने लग गया? Sameer and Priya? No, Sameer was already playing. Option second is Sheila and Priya. Yes, Sheila and Priya is the correct option. So you are going to tick in circle number second, and that is option second. Fine. And next we have question number D, and that is the last MCQ. Yes. Here we have bete, the D1 is, where, W-H-E-R-E, where does the squirrel hide? When we had read the chapter, we came to know that the squirrel got scared. वो डर गई थी बेटे, and he got scared. So वो कहीं पे जाके छिप गई, हाइड हो गई. So where does the squirrel hide? वो कहाँ पे छिपी थी? Near the basket. Near the basket? No, this is not the correct option. Second option is behind the tree trunk. Behind the tree trunk? Yes, this is option, behind the tree trunk. Okay, so third option is behind the bush. No, this is not the answer. So answer is option number second, and that is behind the trunk. So this is the correct answer. So now next we have question number 2, and here some questions are given to you, and you have to answer these questions in one word. ठीक है? The first question is, who lives next door to Priya? बेटे, who lives next door to Priya? प्रिया के बिल्कुल घर के पास कौन रहता है, ये उससे नेक्स्ट डोर. नाउ इफ यू रिमेम्बर, ये देखिए, शीला एंड प्रिया लिव नेक्स्ट डोर. लिव नेक्स्ट डोर मतलब बेटे वो समीर एंड रेयान के घर के पास रहती हैं, एंड दे बोथ, शीला एंड प्रिया, दे बोथ लिव नेक्स्ट डोर. एक दूसरे के घर के पास है. ठीक है, सपोज दिस इज शीलाज हाउस, देन दिस इज Priya's house. ठीक है. So now we have the question, who lives next door to Priya? प्रिया के next door मतलब who is the immediate neighbor of Priya? प्रिया के घर के बिल्कुल पास कौन रहता है बेटे? शीला. ठीक है, शीला इज द आंसर. So you will write like this. I have written Sheila, Sheila. And question number B is who per acres packs the basket for the picnic. Who packs the basket for the picnic? What was there in the basket? Some eatables. ठीक है, कुछ खाने का सामान था बेटे बास्केट में. एंड हु पैक्स द बास्केट? किसने वो पैक की थी? शीलाज मदर पैक्स सम टेस्टी होममेड स्नैक्स इन अ बास्केट. शीलाज मदर, ठीक है, शीलाज मदर पैक्ड सम होममेड स्नैक्स. तो बेटे यहाँ पे आंसर विल बी शीलाज मदर. So Sheila's mother packed the basket for the picnic. She packed some eatables and lemon juice in the basket for the picnic. And next we have next question, C question. What DOES does Priya like to do? What does प्रिया लाइक टू डू? प्रिया को क्या करना अच्छा लगता है? ठीक है, तो बेटे यहाँ पे आंसर विल बी रीड बुक्स. प्रिया लाइक्स टू रीड बुक्स. प्रिया लाइक्स टू रीड बुक्स. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे डी क्वेश्चन वी हैव डू यू थिंक समीर लाइक्स एनिमल्स? यहाँ पे the question is do you think Sameer likes animals? Now you can get confused because in the beginning Sameer got scared. What happened? He spoke so loudly, उसने इतना loudly बोला बेटे that the squirrel got scared. ठीक है, and maybe Sameer also. ठीक है, so the squirrel got scared. But what happened next? Sameer realized his mistake. उसको अपनी गलती का एहसास हुआ and he gave a biscuit to the squirrel. It means you can say that yes, Sameer like animals. Sameer likes animals. अगर बेटे उसको एनिमल्स अच्छे नहीं लगते तो शायद वो स्क्विरल को बिस्किट नहीं देता. ठीक है, यहाँ पे you can also write this for answer only yes, because we are supposed to give the answers in one word only, so you can write yes. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे you can write yes only. The next question we have E. Name the animal that likes to eat nuts. So in this chapter we have learned that there is an animal in the chapter we discussed about. So and that animal he likes to eat nuts also. बेटे उसको nuts बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. And what is the name of the animal? Squirrel. Squirrel is that animal who likes to eat nuts a lot. ठीक है, so बेटे E का आंसर क्या आएगा? Squirrel. So this was the book exercise of chapter number 6, Picnic in the Woods. And this is your homework for today. You have to complete this all book exercise on page number 63 of your book. So this was your English teacher from Mount Litra Z School, Rampura Food. Thank you everybody and have a nice day.